everyone, welcome back to another episode of Webtech Tutorial. In today's video, we're gonna learn how to easily change your profile picture on Canva application. So let's get started without further ado. Go ahead and open your Canva application from your app drawer and also make sure that you're logged into your account. Once logged in, from the main home page, tap on the hamburger menu at the top left-hand corner. This will then open up the menu. Now, click on your profile picture at the top and tap on the camera icon right next to your name. It will then prompt you to choose one of the options in the pop-up. To take a picture from your camera, tap on Take Photo. To select a picture from a file, click on Choose File. To upload a picture from your photo library, select Photo Library. Select one of the pictures from your library and tap on it. After selecting a picture from your library, tap on Done at the top right-hand corner and then wait for your profile picture to upload. After waiting for a couple of seconds, you'll be able to see your profile picture change for Canva. So that is how you can easily change profile picture on Canva application. If you found the video to be helpful, go ahead and give us a thumbs up. Don't forget to subscribe to our channel by hitting the subscribe button. Also press the bell icon so that you'll never miss another upcoming upload from us. I'll see you again in the next episode. Goodbye till then.